If you ever felt like your debts are scattered all over the place, credit cards here, personal loan there, maybe even a store card, and each of them have their own interest rates, their own payment dates, or a headache, you are not alone. And today we are going to fix that confusion. Welcome to this episode of the Valorum Guide, where we will be talking about debt consolidation loan, the definition, their meaning, and how they work. I'm glad you are here, because I know money topics can feel overwhelming. But understanding tools like debt consolidation is a big first step towards taking back control. And when you control your money, you open the door to financial freedom. And here is the truth. Financial freedom is a big part of being a leader, because when you lead your money well, you lead your life well. So let's break this down in simple chunks. Let me tell you about James. James had 4 different credit cards, each with interest rates above 20%. His monthly payments felt like a game of whack-a-mole. He would make one payment here and another payment was due already. And it was staring him down and he didn't know what to do. It was stressful. He was paying hundreds in interest rates every month and felt like he would never get ahead. Then James learned about debt consolidation loans. He applied for one, got approved, and the lender paid off all his high interest debts at once. Now he had one loan, one payment, a much lower interest rate, and a clear payoff date. Within 3 years, he was able to be debt-free, and the stress that was hanging over him for years was gone. That is the power of understanding and using the right financial tools at the right time. So let's go step by step. First, what is debt consolidation? In simple terms, debt consolidation is combining multiple debts into one new loan, ideally with a lower interest rate and a single monthly payment. Think of it like gathering all those scattered puzzle pieces and putting them into one box. It's still the same puzzle, you still have to solve it, but it's now organized, manageable, and you know exactly where to start. Secondly, how does debt consolidation work? Here is the process. Step 1, you apply for the consolidation loan. You apply from a bank, a credit union, or an online lender. Step number 2, if approved, that loan is used to pay off your existing debts directly. Or funds will be deposited in your account so that you can pay them off yourself. Step 3, you now have one new loan with one interest rate, one payment date, and one payoff plan. Step 4, you stick to that plan, making consistent payments until the loan is paid off. This simplifies your life and can save you money, especially if your new interest rate is significantly lower than what you were paying before. Thirdly, what is the right move for you? Is debt consolidation the right move for you? See, debt consolidation can be smart if your current interest rates are high, or if you can qualify for a lower rate. Another if you have a reliable income to make consistent payments. Because you have to be ready to commit not to racking up new debts while paying off the consolidated loan. If you use it wisely, it's a bridge towards debt freedom, not a free pass to overspend. You know, while speaking to you, I'm reminded of a quote from Warren Buffett. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. That consolidation works best when you pair it with better spending and saving habits, so you don't end up back where you started. And another quote is from Dave Ramsey. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. This is why consolidation is so powerful. It's not just about lowering interest, it's about taking the driver's seat in your financial life. I want to pause here for a second. If you are finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss more practical guides like this. And drop a comment below. What is your biggest financial hurdle right now? Or what's one question you have about debt consolidation? I would love to hear from you. Now, let me encourage you. Understanding how this works is a huge step towards financial peace. And yes, you are fully capable of making smart, informed money decisions. It is not about being perfect, it's about remaining consistent. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about choice, it's about peace of mind, and it's a form of personal leadership. Because when you cannot lead others well, is most of the time because your finances are in chaos. By the way, you cannot lead if you yourself cannot be led. So right now, let's look at the bottom line. Debt consolidation is a tool. If you use it wisely, it can simplify your life. It can lower your cost and set you on a clear path of becoming debt-free. So make sure, if you make the choice to do this, that you stick to the plan. If you want to go deeper, check out the Valorum Guide playlist. Here on the channel, inside you will find practical guides that will help you grow and live a purposeful life. And if you are ready to take this serious, I want to invite you to get your freedom of debt. Okay, want to restart? And if you are ready to take a serious, proven step towards your own debt freedom, I want to personally invite you to download a copy of my ebook called Break Free: The Road to Debt Freedom. In it, I share exactly how I paid off $30,000 in debt without gimmicks and shortcuts. You will get real strategies, clear action steps, and a mindset shift that will help you finally get out from under the weight of debt. It's written for people of purpose and is designed to give you not just information, but hope and a roadmap. The link is in the description below. Go check it out and let this be your first step towards lasting financial peace. Listen, debt consolidation is a great tool if you use it wisely. So remember, you are building more than a healthy bank account. You are building a life that can lead with confidence.